Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by aligning prerequisites. Confirm foundational knowledge in research methods and basic biology of behavior. Once done, pick one chapter and read actively, highlight definitions, and write 2 summary sentences per section. Make sure to assemble 1 textbook, 1 review paper, and lecture slides. This variety speeds comprehension. Start with a 25-minute focus session to test retention and stop before fatigue. Doing this establishes momentum and gives you measurable short-term goals that now you deepen understanding by switching methods. Move from passive reading to active recall and application. You should create flashcards for 30 critical terms and test yourself without notes. This forces retrieval pathways. Once comfortable, schedule spaced reviews at 1 day, 3 days, and 1 week to lock memory. Make sure to solve practice questions and run a simple demo or thought experiment to see theories in action. These steps convert facts into usable knowledge and reveal weak spots for targeted review. Finish by synthesizing. Write a 300 to 400 word summary that links 3 major concepts and explains their real-world implications. This clarifies how ideas interact. Once done, teach a peer or record yourself explaining the summary for 5 minutes to test clarity. Make sure to create an action plan for final review sessions and self-testing. If you get stuck, identify the single misconception causing trouble, restudy that narrow area, and re-explain it until it's simple. This targeted fix usually solves larger gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.